Katanat Pulit jong ke Jela Meghalaya, kalayo biang sasis pa asan pesan ngut ki Pulit Constable, ki berang Pyndep ke Jingshah Hikai, haka jaka ajing Hikai ke badan hapok 4 MLP, 2nd IRBN Sohpian, West Kasil District. Kita ki sis pa asan pesan ngut ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ke Jingshah Hikai, ki kentup sis pa arngut ki RC, jong ka MPRO, batsan pulai ngut ki RC jong ka MFPS, bat naki ne khat sangut ki deki kentai. Haka te ke sngewbha AR Mautho, IPS, Deputy Inspector General of Police Training, Meghalaya, ulalong ukongsan, bat shimru kabynta ban ai khublai bat ai mensem kita ki sis pasan pesan ngut ki Pulit jong ka 7 batch recruits constable. Haka passing out parade ke balalong henne ke sngi haka te ke jaka ajing Hikai. Haka te ke sngi la yo ruban sami ki khusnam ki khatlai ngut ki Pulit ki batwet tam. Haka jingpynbna ke jongki haka te ke jaka ajing Hikai. Shushu haka te ke sngi la don langru SP ke West Kasil District uba BJ lalu. Haka jo khubor kumu in charge komandan jong ka 4 MLP 2nd IRBN Sohpian ki he Pulit ki bahiyang hasem jong kita ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ban Pyndep bat kiwe.
In diversity, in whatever circumstances your field of duty might present before you.
I would like to congratulate all the recruit constables of MPRO and Fire and Emergency Service who have successfully completed the basic training in the 4th MLPBN Training Center. And I welcome all of you to the Meghalaya Police family. 102 MPRO and 53 Fire and Emergency Service recruits will pass out from the training center after completion of nearly 1 year of basic training. The recruits were trained in physical fitness, dual weapon handling, field craft, human rights, search and rescue during disaster, first aid, basics of communication, and aspects of law, etc. The recruits have also been imparted requisite knowledge and skill to prepare them physically and mentally to face the challenges ahead. I would like to sincerely thank the Commandant 4 MLP Battalion and his team for the painstaking efforts and other personnel of 4 MLP Battalion involved in imparting training. The training, I'm sure you are now mentally and physically prepared to face the challenges that you will encounter in your service life. I want to remind our recruits here that there's a need to adapt ourselves according to the times and keep pace with the rapid development taking place in the field of technology. Remember, you are here to serve and not to be served, and you need to serve the people and the country with courage, determination, dedication, and integrity. We should be prepared to sacrifice our lives in the altar of duty and carry out our responsibilities with honor and dignity. Please remember that a lot is expected of you, and you should ensure that you deliver the best in your service to the people and state.